now we are going to start. Okay, good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
So
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Now
ma'am.
we are going to discuss about abacus.
Good
Are you
afternoon.
remembering abacus? Yes or no? Are you
Yes.
remembering abacus? See, what is this?
Yes. Yes.
What is this? What is this?
Abacus.
Ah, it is abacus. And abacus having what?
What?
Abacus having
Beads.
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 Abacus having beads. Beads can slide on roads. And how many roads are there? How many
roads.
there are two roads. There are two roads. And these are called roads. What is another name for roads?
Spikes.
Spikes. Very good. You can also see some letters here. T and O. What is T? 10 place. Now, Aidan. Please unmute Aidan.
Ma'am.
Okay, what's the number? Can you see the number, Aidan?
T-O.
10's place, how many beads are there?
MBA. 42.
Three.
40.
So there are
42.
4 beads. 1's place, how many?
2.
Have 2. So, Aidan, what's the number?
42.
4 10's and 2 1's. The number is 42.
42.
So today we are going to study to find the number. Abacus is given. We have to find out the number. Okay, just now we saw no number. I show the abacus. You find the number. It's the same topic we will do first. Then we will move to the workbook. Okay. So let me share the screen first. Let me share the screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you please listen to ma'am, okay? Listen to ma'am and look at the screen. I will say when you have to write in the max notebook, okay? That time we can start. Okay then. See, I am going to draw one abacus, okay? And having beads. You have to find out the number. Which number I am going to show the abacus.
Number 2. I'm writing on it.
Tens place, ones place, okay? And we have beads. And we have
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. Okay now. Okay, Adityan, tell me the number. Adityan, tell me the number. Others.
32.
Others.
23.
See, all of you please be quiet. Adityan, tell me the answer.
32.
See, I said already, I requested already to be quiet in the classroom. Okay, to whom I am calling, or to whom I am calling, saying the name, that will be the answer. Okay. Then we can see here. There are 3 tens. 3 beads are there in the tens place. So 3 tens. 3 tens and how many ones are there in the ones place? How many beads are there?
2.
Ah, 2. 2 ones. So 3 tens and 2 ones. What's the number, Adityan? What's the number, Adityan? Tell me the number.
32.
Ah, it is number
32.
30. So this is the exercise we are going to do now. Okay. Now all are ready with the max notebook? All are ready with the max notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you please take it. All of you please take it.
Ma'am, rough book.
Not rough. See, all of you please listen to ma'am. Today it's no need to take the rough book. Directly write in the max notebook. You can directly write in the max notebook. Okay. No need to write.
Ma'am, this book.
Directly you can write in the max notebook. Listen to ma'am. Directly you can write in the max notebook. No need to write in the rough book. Okay. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
let
ma'am.
me read the page.
Textbook alele. Boom.
Okay, so be ready with the pencil. Okay, WRITE. What's the word? WRITE.
Right.
Good. Right.
WRIE.
T
Right.
THE. Right. The NUMBER. Number. Write the number. 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 Yes, it is square book. Max is written in the square book. No. SHOWN. Shown. Write the number shown. Write the number shown. ON. On. Write the number shown on.
Write the number shown on
THE. The. Write the number shown on the ABACUS. 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 Write the number shown on the abacus. Write the number shown on the abacus. Where it to go? Write the number shown on the abacus. Write the number shown on the abacus. Karthik, switch on the video. Write the number shown on the abacus. Let me draw the first question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and we have the first one, A. And I'm going to draw one abacus. Try to find out the answer, which number I am showing. Okay?
No idea. T-O.
Yes, tell me louder.
Ma'am, right?
Yeah, you can draw.
Ma'am, right?
Yes, you can draw. This is a good.
Ma'am, right?
Yes, you can start. You can draw the abacus. You can draw.
Ma'am, right?
Yes. Can you hear? Can you hear, ma'am?
Ma'am, draw complete.
Now try to find out the answer. What's the number shown on the abacus? Ah. Yes, very good. We have the answer. What is the answer? Find out how many beads are there in the places. Okay. When we look at the abacus, we can see 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tens. And 1, 2. There are 2 ones. Okay. So we can write 3 tens and very good 2 ones. So the number is 3 tens and 2 ones. What's the number?
32.
32.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
Who cannot see?
Krishna Priya.
See, what about others? Can you see?
Ma'am.
Mr. Priya, please check your connection. So we have the first number 32. 3 tens and 2 ones. The number is 32.
Two words.
Three
The
tens and 2 1.
32.
I'm finished.
Let others complete it, okay? Let others complete it.
B and complete. I'm finished.
Okay, Anaya. Good, Anaya. Good, good. So shall we move to the second one? Or already? Prarthana, are you ready for the second one?
See, right.
So we have the second one. Let us draw the abacus. And we have this is a question. Try to find out the answer. Try to find out the answer.
20.
Good girl. Who is that? Who said the answer? Very good.
Siddharth.
Siddharth. Very good, Siddharth. Okay. Meghadarsh. Please unmute Meghadarsh. And look at the screen. What's the number on the screen?
2.
2 what?
23.
What's the number?
22.
22 is there.
2.
See, here only 2 tens are, and at one place there nothing is there. Meghadarsh, look at it carefully. Meghadarsh, look at it carefully and get the answer.
22.
Is it 22? Is there anything is there in the ones place? Is there anything in the ones place? Meghadarsh.
0.
Are there? How many tens are there?
2 tens.
2 tens. Okay, what about the ones? 0 ones. Nothing is here. No beads. So we can write 0. So 0 ones. Okay, 2 tens and 0 ones. What's the number? 20. It is 20. The number is 2 tens and 0 ones. The number is 20. So look at the abacus carefully and count the number of beads. Count the number of beads. So we have the second question, 20. Okay, 2 tens and 0 ones.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
I cannot see the board.
You cannot see the board. Which one you are doing? Is it the first one? Is it the first one? First one we have 3 tens and 2 ones. And the number is 32.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me louder.
is this right?
This you have to write. These two are completed.
Yes.
Good. We will do the next one. Okay, some still writing. That's why I'm waiting for others. Marin, Justin, Karthik, please switch on the video.
Ma'am, my video's on.
Okay, good, Karthik. Srutakirti, please switch on the video. Marin, Justin, Aisha, please switch on the video. Shall I move to the third one?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? I got only one S. What about others? Junaida?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
We have the C. Try to find out the answer. And we have the abacus here.
Yes, ma'am.
Now try to find out the answer.
55.
Very good. It is 55. We have 5 beats in the standard place and 5 beats in the ones place. So we can write 5 tens and 5 ones. The number is 55. Now answer here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both the places we have 5 beats. So we can write 5 tens and 5 ones. 5 tens and 5 ones.
55.
Yes.
Number is 55. The number is 55. The number is 55. Arav, see Anu, we didn't reach here. Arav, you no need to write this one. 1A students didn't reach here. Arav, no need to write this. We didn't start.
Now we can't finish.
Okay, be quiet. Let others complete it.
Anaya completed.
Okay, Anaya, be quiet. Let others complete it. Okay, let others complete it. Siddharth is properly. Siddharth completed all the 3. So those who completed can take the workbook. Those who completed can take the workbook part 1. Those who completed can take workbook part 1. Workbook part 1. And chapter 3,
I am finished.
number 12. Those who completed. First of all, you complete it. All of you
Which page?
to the workbook.
Which page?
Page number 12.
Finish,
Page
ma'am.
number 12. Page
Ma'am,
number
madrasa
12.
finish,
Is
ma'am.
there anyone to complete it? Is there anyone to complete the notes? Is there anyone to complete the notes?
This?
All of you completed.
Ma'am, this? Yes, ma'am.
This which I written on the board. That's only I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. This abacus counting, everybody completed in the max notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who completed, just raise your hand. Those who completed, just raise your hand.
Sarah complete.
Very good. Those who completed this.
Sarah completed. Manu completed. Manu completed.
Okay. So what are you doing now? Nicely. Priya.
Mummy wallet completed. Completed.
Okay. Let me.
Completed.
Okay. So shall we move to this one? Shall we move to workbook?
Yes.
Okay, good. So this is the workbook, page part 1, page number 12. Okay, chapter 3, page number 12. Let me take it. Okay, let me take it. Can you see the same page on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take it. Take it.
Ma'am, I
Ready,
don't
please raise
have
your hand.
textbook.
Not a textbook, workbook. Workbook part 1. Workbook part 1. Book part 1, page number 12.
I don't have workbook.
Who don't have workbook?
Junaita.
What happened? Where is the workbook? It's not with you now.
It's my father house.
It's okay. When you get it, you please copy into that. Now you can write at the back of your notebook. Okay. When
Okay,
you get
ma'am.
your workbook, you can copy into that. Okay, Junita?
Okay.
You are ready with the workbook, page number 12.
Yes, ma'am.
So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got the same page number?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am. Yes,
So we will move to the first one. It's a recalling. Okay. This is already studied. And we know the first question. And it is multiple choice question and having options. Okay. Having options. And the first one. Then THE. What is that? THE. NUMBER. What is that? Number. NAME. What is that? Name. Very good. Okay. Now all of you be quiet. Anna Catherine only will say the answer. Okay. So the question is the number name of 8. They are asking the spelling. Okay. The number name of 8 is dash. And we have the options A, O-N-E 1, B,
Option A1, option
8,
B,
C,
8,
N-I-N-E 9, D, T,
option
10.
option D 10.
So Anna Catherine, what is the correct option? What is the correct option? What's the spelling of 8?
EIGHT 8.
Good girl. So what is the option? Which letter?
Option B 8.
Very good. So we can write here B and we can put a tick mark for B option.
Option B.
We can put B option. Shall we move to second one? Shall we move to second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Agnes Aji, please unmute. Okay. Agnes, you have the second question. Okay. And the second question, can you read it?
Ma'am.
Yes. Try to read.
The number name for
Ah.
7 is
The number name of 7 is dash. Number name, that means the spelling. And we have the first option A option. S-E-V-E-N. What's that?
1.
Option B, T-E-N, 10. Option C, F-O-4. Option D, S-I-X, 6. What is the correct option, Agnes? Very good, very good. Good girl. So we have the correct answer A. So you can write the letter A here and we can put a tick mark for A option. So all of you please do it in the workbook. Okay. And the third one is for Tirtha. Tirtha, are you ready for the third one? Please unmute. Tirtha, please unmute. Again, we have the third one. Okay.
The number.
Okay. Try to read.
The numeral.
Read the third one.
Ones is
T-H-E. The
numeral.
N-U-M-E-R-A-L. Numeral. Numeral means a number itself. Okay? Numeral means number itself. The numeral for one is dash. And we have the options A, 2, B, 3, C, 1, D, 9. Which is the correct option, Tirtha? How we will write the number 1?
Option C.
Option C. So we can write the letter C here and we can write tick mark the C option. So all of you please do it in the workbook itself. Okay, good. So shall we move to the next one? Shall we move to the next one? Fourth one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
For Adam Joe Tony. Adam, please unmute. Adam Joe Tony. Please unmute. And we have the fourth one. Okay? T-H-E-R-E. What is that? There. A-R-E. There are.
Birds in the cage.
B-I-R-D-S. Birds.
Birds.
In.
In.
T-H-E.
Birds in the
C-A-G-E. Cage. Cage means
cage.
of bird.
Cage.
Okay? So look at the cage carefully. Look at the cage carefully. And they are asking, there are dash birds in the cage. And we have the options A, T-E-N 10, B, O-N-E 1, C, Z-E-R-O 0, D, N-I-N-E 9. Adam, what is the correct answer?
1.
Is there any bird in the cage?
No.
No. If it is nothing, what is the answer?
0.
Adam, tell me the answer. What is the answer?
0.
0. So no birds in the cage. So the answer is 0. What is the correct option here?
Option C.
Option. Adam, tell me the answer. What is the option here? Option
B.
C. Okay. And we can put a tick mark for C. Z-E-R-O. C. Z-E-R-O 0. And the next question for Austin. Okay, Austin. We have the fifth question. Okay, fifth question. The numeral 4 dash means a number. You have to count how many are there. And you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bundles of 10. So 4 bundles of 10 means 4 tens. And we cannot okay, we cannot see any ones. So we can say 4 tens and 0 ones. What's the number?
40.
Say others be quiet. Austin will say the answer. Austin, unmute. Austin, unmute. Unmute. And what is the answer? 4 tens and 0 ones. 4 and 0 ones. What's the 4 tens and 0 ones. What's the answer, Austin?
40.
40. So what is the correct option? We have option A 40, option B 20, option C 60, option D 80. So which is the correct option here? Option A. So we can write the option A here, and the correct option is A 40. A 40. So 40 is the correct option. Correct answer. Next we have Aradi Biju. Aradi, the question's number 6. Question number 6.
The place
Very, very good, very good. You're reading very good.
of
The place
is in 25
is dash. The place value, not a place, place value. We studied no place value. The place value of 2 in 25 is dash. And we have the options A 50, B 2 tens, C 2 ones, D 5. Aradi, what is the answer? Place value of 2. It is 2 10. So what is the option? Which is the correct option? Option B. Option B. Okay. And the correct answer is 2 tens. In the number 25, we have 5 ones and 2 tens. So the place value of 2 is 2 tens. The place of 2 is tens. The place value of 2 is 2 tens. So the correct option is B, and the correct answer is 2 tens. So are you ready for the next one? Next page, page number 13.
Yes.
Good. So we have Maithili. Maithili, please unmute. And we have fill in the blanks. Page number 13. Let me take the page, okay? Let me take the page.
The ones
Just let me take the page, okay?
F-I-F-T-Y. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Just one more minute. Let me take the page. So we have next page number 13. Next page number 13.
One, two, three, four.
Can you see the same page on the screen?
Yes.
Okay, good.
In the border. Yes.
Fill in the blanks. Okay, and we have the 7th question. Maithili, are you ready for 7th question? Maithili, are you ready for the 7th question?
Yes,
Okay, and we have 7th question. Try to read it. Try to read it.
One digit is 43 is dash.
The others be quiet. Okay, Maithili, listen to me. The ones digit 43 is dash. See, ones place digit in the number 43. What is the digit? Ones place we have 43. So ones place we have which number? Very good. We have the number 3. So we can write the answer 3. So ones place we have 3. What about the tens place? Tens place we have 4. So here the question is ones place digit. So ones place we have the number, we have the digit 3. Ones place digit is 3. Ones place digit is 3. So shall we move to the next one, 8th one? By 8 we can complete. Okay, 8th question. Okay. Eighth question, Prarthana. Unmute. Prarthana, unmute. Eighth question. Okay, eighth. Question number 8. The tens digit. The
tens digit in 99 is
not 99. It is 19. No, it is 19. No, the tens digit in 19 is dash. What's the tens digit in the number 19?
1.
Very good. Good girl. So the answer is 1. The answer is 1. The tens place digit in the number 19 is 1. So the next we will do next class. Okay. The next questions we will do next class. So it's time to winding up the session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am.
Do enough practice and do it well.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am. Thank you.